don't get paid for the time you spend, you get paid for the value you bring into this universe. Hey everyone, Akshay Rashikran here. Right now, the time is going so fast. That is what even Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, everyone is also worried. Time goes so fast, including everyone out there. Like, we have to use the time super wisely, right? And making sure that like we put in right action and like we give our services and tell exactly what we do, right? Time is too short. Okay, and let's get started. Let me know guys, like if you're watching this live, and put replay if you're watching this on replay. And some of the biggest learnings I have done in my lifetime is make sure that you learn from somebody who's already done lot of things. Okay, lot of things, who is preaching what he is doing, right? And spend time with people who value you. It's not just about the money, right? It's all about how much results you can get and what you can give it at the end of the day, right? See, it should all be like three things. If you do these three things, literally you can help as many people in the world, or like do whatever you want. You don't need funnel, you don't need like Facebook ads, you don't need like blog, you don't need website, you don't need logo, anything. Just find out a painful problem in the market, right? Painful problem. It shouldn't be something like cutting the grass in the backyard or garden or something like huge problem, right? Figure out that problem where people are ready to pay for that or something, right? And just talk to them, right? See, what I realized is after like so many years of doing all these things, talking to the right group of people is very important. If you talk to the right group of people, literally everything is automatically solved, right? And make sure that don't work with people who will bargain with you for your prices, all those things, because the person who is going to ask the most discount will become the worst customer with you, right? And that is why always spend your time, work with people who value you, like your time, all those things, right? And that is my one of my biggest learnings, right? See, important for customers are like speed, efficiency, all these things. If you are able to give like better results for anyone, it doesn't matter who you are, right? And see, we live in some of the world's most advanced time ever in the human history. Okay, I'll tell you in a short example. Like when I was watching some of the videos, all these things, like the disrupted technology is being disrupted, right? Like the world is moving so fast. Like example, uh, like Ola or like Uber came and it disrupted the entire like taxi system, all those things, right? Afterwards, like right now, Tesla came, self-driven cars are coming, Google cars are coming, all these things. What's going to happen now in next 5 to 10 years? Even the disrupted this one technology is going to be disrupted, right? And now what happens is like when the king dies, right, everybody gets the equal chance. It doesn't matter, you, me, everyone gets the equal chance, right? And you can build it, you can do something great and nice, right? And all you need to do is you need not be expert, right? Everyone tell like you need to be expert or something, right? If you see like some of the world's super successful people, they know how to do the things and they know how to manage a team. That is what you have to learn, like architecture of the team and managing them, all those things, right? And if you do that like properly, like you will be able to win in long term as well as today, all those things, right? And do let me know, okay, like any questions, doubts you have, right? And it's all about like you talking to right group of people, building a network, right? And that is why I always focused on going to events, meeting the best people out there, because even if I buy a course or something, still I can't ask the person like some doubt or question I have, right? When I go to event, like all the great like marketers, right, I go to them, ask them directly, they tell me an answer and I'm going to do that, right? I'm working on this review too. Talk to you when you can. Yeah, sure, Mirza. Like we can talk. Do message me, okay? And it's all about finding that one thing which you're super good at, right? And make sure that you start helping people with whatever knowledge you have, right? Today, everybody has got an equal opportunity. It's all about when you are getting started, right? Whether you or someone is going to do. Now the things are like whether you are going to do or not. That is the most important thing, okay? Like if you identify that, like it'll become everything like much simple and much easy, right? And do let me know if you have any questions, doubts, and if you're watching this live, put hashtag live, right? And if you have any questions when it comes to getting clients organically without running any paid ads, and scaling your business, like knowledge sharing with the right group of people, like step by step I will show you like how you can eat a cake in a so simple way, right? Because I've learned from the best after spending so much of thousands of dollars going to so many events, and personally even I have implemented on my own, right? And my clients are getting amazing results, and I have created like 7-figure success stories. Some of my clients have even made like over $1 million to come a club, all those things. And I've interviewed a lot of people as well, right? It's all about getting started and consistently doing it, right? How to take action on internet. See, taking action, like one thing I'll tell you, okay? If you're doing something in life, anything it can be, if you wake up from your bed, like if you're not feeling enjoyed and pumped up, right, you are doing something wrong. You have to question yourself. Maybe your job is not good, or like the work what you're doing is not good. You can stop it and make sure that you do something else what you're super passionate about. If you do something what you really like to do, like no one can stop you, believe me guys. And that's how like you can reach anywhere, like to the moon, all those things, right? It's all about knowing exactly what you're very good at, and focus on some small group of people instead of going to the whole world. I know this, right? And if you talk to them, get them results, and like so many people are going to refer more and more and more people, and a flywheel effect will be created, right? Like more people come, the better results they get. They're going to refer all those things, right? And do let me know if you have any more questions. Do message me. Let's hop on a call, like 15 minutes call. I'll do a plan, like exactly how we can help you reach to the next goal, right? How do you provide more value to attract clients? Paid stuff. Yeah. See, it's all about imagine like you have a paid course or something, you like as much as value, right? 10, 20%, 30% you can give the value, right? People, they can start liking it, implementing it. And that's what even I've done, like created a foundation program, right? Where everybody in the world, it doesn't matter from which part of the world you are, you can go learn from the things like what I have learned from so many years and implement in your own way. Get like little results, then you can get started in the paid programs. That is what I always tell to someone even who doesn't have any money, right? And that's how many people have got started and getting great results, right? It's all about choosing exactly what your customer wants and give it to them, right? And that's how like you will be able to scale it like much faster, all those things. And do let me know if you're watching this live, and team replay. And that's all for now. And I'm going to provide like a lot of information, value, all those things, okay? Do let me know like your biggest problems and about what you guys want me to make videos about, and getting clients organically, Facebook attraction marketing, consulting, coaching, anything it can be, okay? And any questions, doubt, do message me. Let's hop on a call and let's see how we can help you out. And that's all for now. Right now, have a great day everyone. Bye bye.